Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Alan. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Well, I am in China, as you can probably tell from this bottle of Sprite. But yeah, I'm on vacation here with my friends. We are in this place, and I know I'm going to butcher it, but it's Zhangjiajie. Zhangjiajie. You know the Avatar Mountains, the ones that James Cameron was inspired from. And he did those floating mountains in the movie. Well, they don't float here, they're fixed to the ground, but that's where I'm at. But while I got here, or rather the night that I left from Dubai to China, gonna hydrate myself. Yeah, meanwhile, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. So, the day before or the day of the flight, I stopped by the Dubai Mall and picked myself another aluminium bullet from Oakley. This is again a collab with Brain Dead and made by their factory team division of Oakley. Speaking of Brain Dead, that's what I have been wearing in China through my hikes and my treks. I have been wearing it without the nose pad because I think it looks a lot more sicker. The reason I carried these was to do my treks, and then I carried the Brain Dead straight jacket 99 for my runs. But I've been doing so many treks and hikes that I haven't been on any runs, so I thought might as well do a quick unboxing in between all of these days. So I am gonna lift this lid open on the bullet, and you have that dust bag. That was loud, my ears are ringing. So this dust bag is the same as the one that Oakley did with, I don't know if it's the same with all the factory team products, but in the other Brain Dead collab that I picked up, the Plantaris, of course, this one comes in the same dust bag. And for the straight jacket 99, that is the frame. Now the straight jacket came out, I think, in 97. Initially it had a more oval appearance, and then in 99 they did the 99 version of it, which was a lot more squared out. You know, these flames, man, this I think is primarily why I picked it up. You see the Oakley icon right there, and this is the reason why I got these, the flames. But I digress. This then became quite iconic. There have been quite a few collabs as well. I think even Satisfy Running did a collab, but these ruby lenses, and of course since it's a Brain Dead collab, you'll probably be able to see the Brain Dead text right here. This is usually where they do the prism text, because these of course come with a prism lens, but right there you can see the Brain Dead text. Man, these are cool. And of course your Oakley right there on the bridge. This particular frame is made in USA, as you can see right there, made in USA. On the other side, it just says straight. Again, right there on the frame, on the temples. Of course, you have your Unobtainium rubber, and these are super lightweight. Now, I've spoken a lot. I should just throw these on, but like I was saying, Brain Dead collab, the ruby lenses, nice matte gray frame, and these white flames. I was very tempted to pick up a second pair, but this is how they look on my face. I think they look a lot better than the Oakley Scar that I picked up, but that's just a personal opinion. What do you guys think? I think it looks sick, and these I would ideally use for a run, right? Because all those flames means I'm fast as heck, guys. Well, a short quick video to take you guys through this new pickup. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think I've become kind of a Oakley guy, right? This is like the third pair I've picked up this year. There's the Plantaris, Brain Dead. I picked up the Scar, of course, for nostalgia, and then I just had to get that straight jacket 99 for the ruby lenses and that flame print. All right, guys, quick short video all the way from China, Zhangjiajie, for you guys. We're going to spend another couple of days over here before we head to Shanghai. When I'm in Shanghai, I hope to do a bit of shopping. But you know, it's only when I'm back in Dubai that I'll be really getting down to editing these videos. I'll see you then. You guys take care, take it easy, stay safe, and peace.